channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Brenda and welcome. As you guys can see in today's video, I am going to be bringing you guys behind the scenes of how I package my orders for Bodies by Brenda. If you guys didn't know, I do have my own online store where I sell waist trainers, and I've been selling waist trainers for I believe a month now, and I started selling them because of my business, which is Bodies by Brenda. I do body sculpting where I offer body sculpting services to all you lovely people, and I decided that waist training is just the perfect way to get your body snatched and just so you can see your results even better. So we are going to be packing up an order, and I'm going to be showing you guys what packing orders entails. So I'm currently in my room, and in front of me I have everything that I need to pack orders. I'm going to show you guys everything that you will need to pack an order, from the printer to the software to the bags. I also will leave everything down below in the description just in case you guys want to know where I got everything from. But yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and see how I pack orders, then please keep on watching. So in front of me, I have everything that I'm going to need to start packing orders. Also, I know you guys might see me in the mirror. Just ignore that. So this is everything that I basically need to package an order. So I'm going to pretty much tell you guys what everything is and what I use it for. So first of all, I have these bags right here. These are my poly mailers. These are what I use to ship out orders and where my waist trainers will go in. And next is my scale. This is the scale that I am using. I bought this one off Amazon. Super affordable. I believe the scale works for pounds, ounces, and grams, if I'm not wrong. Next is obviously my computer that I need to pull up my orders. So right here in this box is all the labels. I actually bought these off Amazon, and it is 4x6 labels. This one came with 1,000 labels. And you guys are not gonna believe it. I only bought this for like $18. So freaking affordable on Amazon, and I know how expensive these labels can be, so I was so surprised to find this at such an affordable price for 1,000 labels. Up here I have this box with cards, and I decided to get this because for every single order I do write a handwritten note to anyone that purchases a waist trainer from me. So I bought these from Amazon. I will link them down below as well so you guys can see what they look like. Also super affordable, and I believe it comes with 50 cards. And then lastly, here is my printer. I decided to buy a thermal printer. This one I also got off Amazon, and I really like how this one works. I actually have only been having it for a few days because before that I did buy another thermal printer and it did not work out. I did not like that one, and I decided to go with this one, and this one has been working perfectly fine. So yeah, let's go ahead and get everything out, and I'll show you guys what my first step to packing an order is. And also I leave all my waist trainers in this box. So this is the box that they were shipped out to me in, and there's 2 boxes, but here is one. And as you can see, it has all of the waist trainers inside. So let's get started, guys. So first I'm going to go on my computer and I'm going to log in to my Shopify account. And that is what I use to sell my waist trainers. That's the website that I use. I know there's other websites like I believe there's Wix, and I know there's so many. I can't think of them off the top of my head, but Wix is another very popular website. But I decided to go with Shopify. Most of my friends that are boutique owners have Shopify and recommended it to me, so that's why I decided to go with Shopify, and it has been working perfectly for me. If you guys are interested in making your own website, you can go on there, get a I believe it's a 2-week free trial, and then after the 2 weeks it will be $29 per month. So yes, you do have to pay to have your own, I guess, like store online. And it's $29. So I am now on Shopify. As you can see, we're gonna go down to where it says orders. Where it says orders. So I went under orders, and as you can see, it says that I have 1 order unfulfilled, and we want to make sure that it says filled right there like this one. So we're gonna go ahead and press it and start this order. So once I press on the order, I'm going to create a shipping label where you guys see it right there. I'm blocking obviously the order because it has an address and personal information that I do not want you guys to see. But yeah, you're gonna press where it says create shipping label. So once I go on there, you're going to have to add your package. So I added my package. This is the dimension of my poly mailers. It is a 12x16 poly mailer. And then you have to add the weight of your whole package with the waist trainer on there. So as you can see, this order has an extra large black belt strap waist trainer. So we're gonna go ahead, grab the waist trainer, and then we're gonna put it in the poly mailer to weigh it, and we're going to insert the weight right here when we are done. Like I told you guys, this is where I keep all my waist trainers, and they're in this box. I do have 2 boxes full of waist trainers. So as you can see, this one is already an extra large waist trainer. They wanted the black one, so I'm gonna grab this one and not the nude one. Also, if you guys are wondering, I was sent extra waist trainers. I have these that were sent to me, and I wanted to test them out to maybe bring them into Bodies by Brenda, but I don't know how I feel about them. I have tried them out before, and I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I bring some other colors in? Maybe a pink or a floral? I think this one's maybe a little too colorful, but maybe pink or like solid colors would be nice. So let me know what you guys think. I can probably bring other colors if you guys want me to, but for the most part, I think black and nude are perfect to start off with. As you can see, here is my waist trainer. I have an extra large black waist trainer. Even though it's in the package and it is, you know, it should be correct, I always like to see if the waist trainer is the right size, and just to make sure that the waist trainer is in good condition. So I'm going to take it out of the little bag that it comes with. Also, every waist trainer does come in an individual bag already, but we're gonna go ahead, open it up. It looks good to me. It's not missing anything, and it is an extra large, so it is perfect. We're gonna go ahead and fold it back up and put it back in the bag. I wish you guys can feel the material of this waist trainer. It's so good, super thick, and it's super sturdy. When I tell you guys that I was looking for a really good waist trainer for a long time, I mean it, and this is the best quality I have seen in any single waist trainer that I have tried. So you guys definitely should get your hands on one if you really want one. So the next step is I grab my poly mailer. So this is what my poly mailer looks like. Like I said, it is a 12 by 16 poly mailer, and my waist trainers fit perfectly in here. Even like 2 or 3 waist trainers can fit in this thing. And this is such a great material. I bought these off Amazon. I believe the package came with, I want to say it was like 50, maybe even 100. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I'm going to link it down below like I told you guys. So I'm just going to put the waist trainer in the bag, just like that. And all I'm going to do now is turn on my scale right here. This is the scale that I have. I'm going to turn it on and then weigh the waist trainer. To turn it on, all I do is press the button right there. And as you can see, when it turns on, it goes into ounces. But as you can see, it also has grams, and it has pounds and ounces. Let me go back to ounces. So this is ounces. This is where you want to keep it at. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the waist trainer on this. There's also this little pocket right here that I like to pull up. So if I pull that up, you can see that I can perfectly put the bag right here, and it will weigh it for me. So I'm gonna grab our bag, and then I'm going to put it right here, standing up, as you guys can see. And this is the weight of my waist trainer. So I'm going to remove it, and then I'm going to go back into my computer. It just locked on me for some reason. So we want to make sure we have this in ounces. So we're gonna go ahead and put 23.4. So when I put that, it's giving me shipping options. And as you can see, these are all the shipping options that I have to ship out this package. So this package, the cheapest shipping option for me would be UPS. There is other options like USPS, I believe that's all. Sometimes there's even like DHL or other shipping carriers, but as you can see, it gives you the cheapest option right there, and it is $7.80. As you can see, the customer paid $7.50 for this shipping, so 30 cents are going to be coming out of my own pocket. So I'm going to click that one, and I'm going to buy the shipping label. And then it gives me this little pop-up right here. I just have to confirm that there's no liquids, there's no pharmaceuticals in the package. And then I'm going to confirm it and then submit and continue. So this is actually my first time that I'm shipping with UPS. So I have to put my information in, and I'm gonna do that and then show you guys what the next step is. So I have already purchased the shipping label, and all I have to do is print it out. So we're gonna go right here where it says print shipping label, but I am shipping it out with a thermal printer. We're gonna press this button right here, which is going to print it out on my thermal printer, and we're gonna save it. And then going right here, I'm going to print the shipping label. So my printer isn't connected, so we're gonna go ahead and connect the printer on right now. I normally always put my printer back into the box because, to be honest with you, I don't really get a lot of orders since I just started my business. So I don't like keeping the printer out because I don't use it as much just yet. So I always put it back in the box. So we're gonna go ahead and just connect the printer, plug it in to the computer and to an outlet, and that way we are going to print out our shipping label. Now that my printer is plugged in, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and open it up, and I'm going to add some paper into it. This is a label paper that I use. Like I told you guys, this is a 4x6 label. These are the labels that you're going to need for this printer. It only works with this size label. And what I'm going to do is put it right here. Sorry guys, I'm holding the camera with one hand and doing this with the other. Sorry if it's a little off. So I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to turn it on, and as you can see, the printer is now on. I don't know where it's making that noise. Oops. Let me open it really quick. Oh, there we go. Oops. Okay, there we go. I don't know why it does that, but normally it just positions the paper and one of the sheets comes out. So I'm just gonna leave it right there how it is so I can use this paper later. So all I need to do now is just press this button where it says print shipping label, and the label is gonna come up. I'm not gonna show you guys the label, of course, but all I'm gonna do is press print. So my label did come out already. I'm going to leave it right there for the moment. I do want to go ahead and open this up and add one thank you card into the order. And basically, I'm just going to be writing a handwritten note to this person. By the way, these are what the cards look like. So it is a light pink note that says thank you on it, and it's super cute. And then on the inside, it's plain, and you're just gonna write your note in there. Now that the note is written, I'm going to put it inside of the envelope and then place it inside of the package. So our note is in already and we are ready to ship it out. I'm basically just going to take this off of it. This is basically the adhesive that will keep the package secure. You know, you have to secure the package. So this is basically what's going to close the package up, and then I'm gonna fold it up and press it down. And voila, our package is ready to be shipped. All I'm going to do is obviously put the shipping label on it, and it is ready to go to the post office. So I'm now in the car, guys, and I have my package with me. I'm going to drive to UPS to ship out my package. Also, I do have my camera on the mount that I was using in my previous video, and I noticed that it was very shaky and very loud. So I fixed it, and hopefully it doesn't make like that shaking noise. I apologize for that, because even myself, I was getting like dizzy looking at the footage. So I'm sorry. I hope it doesn't sound kind of shaky or anything. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take a drive down to UPS, and I'm honestly probably going to stop by Starbucks on the way back because I'm craving a drink. I think I want to get a drink for me and Lorenzo. We are gonna go get a workout in after this with Kevin. He is a trainer, if you guys didn't know. So he's gonna train me and Lorenzo, and I want to get right and I want to get snatched for the new year. So that is what we're gonna do. Also, you guys are probably wondering, like, why is she doing like this video? I want to show you guys what it is behind the scenes of having a business and how to pack orders and stuff. And when I was starting my business, I wanted to see videos like this of people packing orders and what I needed and what it was like to ship orders. I hope you guys do find it somewhat helpful if you have a business or are thinking of starting a business and need to know what it's like or what you need and stuff. So yeah, that's why I decided to do like a little behind the scenes video of my online store. I'm obsessed with my waist trainers, guys. I literally tell you guys this all the time, but I honestly do think that they're very, very good material and they're just so bomb. Okay guys, so I just shipped it out and I am back in my car already, and it was literally super quick. All it took was like 2 seconds. I just go hand it in to the person. Since it is a prepaid label, I already paid for it online. All I had to do was just hand it to them and it is ready to be shipped. Guys, I just made it to Starbucks and there is a huge line. Probably gonna have to wait for a good like 10 minutes, but it's okay. I don't mind waiting for Starbucks.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. My name's Lucy. Can I get your name?
My name's Brenda.
Hi, Brenda. What can I get for you today?
Can I have a venti caramel frappuccino, please?
Of course.
Can I add Java chips to that? And may I also have extra caramel drizzle on the cup, please?
Okay. Do you want whipped cream also?
Yes, please.
Anything else for you?
Yes, so it's gonna be another venti frappuccino, but strawberries and cream this time.
Okay.
Can we add a pump or a few pumps of raspberry syrup?
You got it.
And then can we also have the Java chips and the extra caramel drizzle on it?
Whipped cream also?
Yes, please.
Okay. Anything else?
That's gonna be it.
Okay, it's gonna be $12.50. You'll see Maddie at the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm so freaking excited, guys. That's normally what me and Lorenzo always get when we want something sweet. We love the frappuccinos and we add Java chips and caramel to them to make them even more sweet. It's not the healthiest, but it's so good. I'm gonna work out later. I'm gonna work out, I'm gonna burn it out. It's okay, I'll be fine. I haven't had one in a very long time also, so I was really craving a frappuccino, so it's okay. We'll be fine. So I'm next, guys. I'm gonna put on my mask because I just want to be safe, and I feel like they would appreciate if everyone through the drive-thru just wears a mask. So I'm gonna put this guy on, even though I hate wearing these masks. They literally annoy the hell out of me, but it's cool. Safety first, guys.
Hi there. It's gonna be $12.50.
Sure.
Your nails are so pretty.
Thank you.
Okay. Here we go. Here are those two first.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Thanks. Yay! We have secured the drinks, guys. The drinks have been secured. So I'm gonna drive home already. I live a few minutes away from Starbucks, so I will talk to you guys when I am back home now. So I am now home, guys, and I am all cozy in my couch. For some reason, it started getting really cold outside. So I got home, got really cozy, got my Starbucks. Lorenzo is uploading a video on YouTube. Guys, 3 days in a row. 3 days in a row, right? Damn, look at him. So we're pretty much just gonna chill, hang out, wait for Kevin to get here because he's going to give us a little workout and then call it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you did. And we will be seeing you guys pretty soon. Go subscribe to his channel, by the way. But yeah, we will be seeing you guys pretty soon. Bye.
The most famous reindeer of all, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed.